Now that we have our candy cane dough divided up into two sections, one red and one the original color, we need to let it cool. You might think that this dough is stiff enough to work with, but it's also pretty sticky. So we're going to stick it in the refrigerator for about half an hour so that it can get to a more manageable consistency. As you can see, it doesn't even want to come off of the spatula. And a note on the spatula, you want to make sure that you have a really stiff one when using this dough. A more flexible rubber or soft silicone one just doesn't quite do the job. So you can see there's about the same amount of dough for each color, which is important. And one thing to note, if you are doing lots of cookies or you only have small amounts of time to work with it, you can freeze the dough for up to a month, although it's best to use it within a week. You can just stick it in an airtight container or wrap it in a ball in plastic wrap. The important thing is you don't want any air to get in there to cause freezer burn. And this way you can do large amounts of dough. Cookie dough is very forgiving. You can make up large amounts of dough until you're ready to bake it and then have, all of your dough ready for one day and then just go through and bake all the different cookies that you want to.